In bulk materials handling environments, one challenge remains constant: dust. Excessive dust can lead to material loss, environmental non-compliance, safety incidents, and premature equipment failure. That's why Kinder's K-AllShelter Conveyor belt covers are a game changer for material handling operations. Designed for fast installation and long-lasting protection, K-AllShelter is a fully enclosed, weather-resistant covering solution engineered for your conveyor systems. From scorching sun to torrential rain, K-AllShelter shields your belts, reduces dust emissions by up to 90%, and helps you meet environmental regulations, all while keeping your site cleaner and safer. Conveyor covers also improves workplace safety by reducing airborne particles and eliminating exposed moving parts, making compliance with health and safety standards simpler and more effective. But dust isn't just a problem for your belts. Your motors, the power behind your operations, are also at risk. Kinder's K-MotorShield, a purpose-built motor cover designed to defend your equipment from dust, debris, water ingress, and accidental impact. Constructed from heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant materials, the K-MotorShield improves motor lifespan, prevents breakdowns, and supports operational uptime, all while allowing fast, safe access for inspections and repairs. No more wrestling with makeshift covers or risking electrical faults. It's smart protection with built-in convenience. Contact Kinder to learn how K-AllShelter and K-MotorShield can keep your operations safe, sustainable and strong. Engineered innovation.